The counting principle, permutations and combinations. This is part of probability in grade 12 mathematics paper 1. We are just looking at the basics of the topic. It's a big topic, this one, that has got complex formulas that we need to study. But at this level, we are mainly focusing at basics only to answer the grade 12 mathematics questions on the counting principle. Now, the main idea that we are using here is that the number of ways to arrange n items in a row is n factorial. What it means is that if we are given a number of items to arrange and there is no any condition that is considered, arranging anything in a straight line, the answer is found by taking the factorial of the total number of items that we are arranging. Let's look at question number 1. Consider the word copyright. How many different arrangements can be made with the above letters? We have to check how many letters do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means the total number of items that we are arranging is equal to 9. And the number of arrangements available is 9 factorial because there are no any conditions placed in this question. We are just arranging them in a straight line. You would take the factorial of the total number of items given. So our answer is 9 factorial, which is 362,880. Let's look at question 2. In how many ways can 10 learners be seated in a straight line? Now, the number of items we have here, the value of n, is 10. N is equal to 10. So, the number of ways to arrange n items in a row is n factorial. So, n is equal to 10. It therefore follows that the number of ways in which 10 learners can be seated in a straight line is a 10 factorial, which is 3,628,800. Question number 3, same things. In how many ways can 8 people be placed in a row? We are arranging 8 people in a straight line, so the answer is 8 factorial, which is 40,320. In how many ways can 7 cars be parked in a straight line? There are 7 cars, so n is equal to 7. The answer is 7 factorial. So important for us is to remember the main idea. Given n items, and we want to arrange n items in a row, the number of ways in which the arrangements can be done is n factorial. So the word items in this case is representing anything. We can arrange letters of the alphabet, we can park cars in a straight line, we can put books on a shelf, we can arrange desks in the class, we can arrange anything in a row. The answer is always the total of the number, the factorial of the total of the number of items that we are arranging. I have expanded my answers here, but it is not very necessary. We can straight away move from 9 factorial to the answer, from 10 factorial, then we write the answer without having to do this expansion. I just did it to emphasize the meaning of a factorial. Otherwise, we can write the answer straight away. That's arranging items in a straight line. We take the factorial of the total number of items that we are arranging.